Great morning and welcome to Crypto Vault. In the event that you're searching for Decentraland cost expectations conjecture for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Decentraland (MANA) will go from now on. We will break down the past costs of Decentraland (MANA) and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with a goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also anticipating something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Decentraland past price analysis. According to the most recent information assembled, the ongoing cost of Decentraland is $1.07, and MANA is as of now positioned number in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Decentraland is 1,844,087,005 with a market cap of $1,969,084,899. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 10.02% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the MANA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. From most recent 7 days the MANA was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 40.3%. Decentraland has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. In the beyond couple of days, MANA has been on the ascent, with the present exchanging meeting cost a cost increment of 3%. In the beyond 6 days, MANA's cost has multiplied from 59 cents to the ongoing cost of $1.2. Notwithstanding, in spite of the new cost gain, MANA is still somewhere around 16% for the month. The year-to-date information additionally shows that MANA has dropped by 63%. Part of the justification for why the cryptographic money has dropped at such a gigantic rate is because of the ongoing negative market of the digital currency industry. Throughout recent months, the business has been exchanging downwards. In any case, the previous week has seen the pace of cryptographic forms of money drop increment fundamentally. This is after UST and Luna, which are local badge of the Terra organization, came around more than almost 100%, causing alarm in the business sectors. The outcome was a cryptographic money auction that saw the worldwide digital currency market capitalization reliably dropping by more than 10% per exchanging meeting. We anticipate future Decentraland cost expectations MANA estimate by applying profound computerized reasoning, help specialized analysis on the past value information of Decentraland. We give our altogether most extreme authentic information for the MANA coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Decentraland market cap, Decentraland volume and scarcely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations. MANA price prediction. From May 5 to 12, the cost of MANA plunged by 63%. This is after reports began emerging about USD fixing. To work with this undertaking, the accompanying Decentraland cost expectation has been explained with the help of the high-level instrument named the Crypto Volatility Index (CVIX) to guarantee the precision and the legitimacy of this MANA cost conjecture model. In any case, prior to diving into the Decentraland value investigation and figure, permit us to repeat the key principles of legitimate methodology towards putting resources into digital currencies. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the advancements on the MANA market that depend on the readings of our interesting Crypto Volatility Index that assists us with measuring the market opinion and expect the bearing wherein the market means to head. At this point, the cost of Decentraland is $1.067783, while the coin right now ends up at 34th spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value that is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios. It's likewise vital to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course. On May 17, the cost of DECENTRALAND was at $1.17 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 9.01%. 7 days prior, on May 11, MANA was esteemed at $1.11, and that really intends that from that point forward, the cost has changed by 0%. A month prior, on April 18, the market member laid out the cost of DECENTRALAND at $2.06. Thusly, the coin has made a 47.73% move to arrive at its current standings. Recently, on May 17, MANA had a market capitalization of $2.164,098,663. Keep going week. On May 11, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $2.055,144,317. A month prior, on April 18, the market worth of DECENTRALAND was evaluated to be $3,788,097,592. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with MANA arrived at the place of $365,418,556. Recently, on May 17, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $507,146,855. 7 days prior, on May 11, how much MANA that was traded between market members was assessed at $545,136,351. DECENTRALAND, MANA, price forecast May 2022. For May, the cost of DECENTRALAND is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of 80 cents, while the coin will exchange between a limit of 82 cents and at least 72 cents. MANA price forecast June 2022. In June 2022, the cost of DECENTRALAND is anticipated to be at around a base worth of 79 cents. The DECENTRALAND value worth can arrive at a limit of 85 cents, with a typical exchanging worth of 82 cents in United States dollars. DECENTRALAND, MANA, price forecast July 2022. For July, the cost of DECENTRALAND is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of 85 cents, while the coin will exchange between a limit of 88 cents and at least 82 cents. DECENTRALAND, MANA, price prediction August 2022. As for August 2022, DECENTRALAND cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of 84 cents. The MANA cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 93 cents, with a typical estimate cost of 88 cents. DECENTRALAND price forecast September 2020.